Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah. Hey guys, how are ya? It's Nailmas, of course, because we've been to bust out all these videos because we can. Anywho, we got straight into the video. We want no prepping, no none of that. We're doing some nostalgic curve. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. The color I'm using is Afterglow. Sorry we don't have any titles. This video was recorded a long time ago and edited a long time ago. I just never got the chance to do the voiceover for it. So my apologies, but it's coming out for Nail Miss because yeah. Remember, when you are doing your curve tips, please stack those beads right on top of one another so you are not missing out on the apex, and also keeping the thickness throughout the nail, because you would hate for these nails to break all because you was bullshit. You feel me? All right. The color is from Glam and Glitz. I don't know if I said where it was from, but I do know it's called Glam and Glitz. This nail we're finna do an ombre. It's gonna be a glitter ombre. So I'll put the white down, tame it, and we gonna feather it down after we've sealed it around the cuticle all the way around. You feel me? Another bead. Boom, boom, boom. Hit it. Yeah. Feather it down. Yes, ma'am. It's gonna. I don't know if I just told y'all. It's gonna be a glitter ombre, so I'm gonna do the glitter last. Per usual. Right now we're gonna do a marble. Both of these colors I got from. God dang. How do I know where I got them from? I got them from. Shoot. If you go to Google and type in GELEE acrylic, it'll pop up. They glow in the dark. I just can't remember the name of it. My apologies. They're like $18 a jar though, so it's kind of expensive. But they last a long time, so it's worth it. All right, as long as you know. So put the colors down, all three of them, then I just move them around. And a lot of the acrylics that I use are self-leveling, so I don't really be having too many dips in the nail. Move it around, tap it in, make sure you cover the whole entire nail, and then it's going to level itself out. Yep, keep the shape. Make sure you keep that shape, baby. Keep the shape. And y'all, don't use your dang on thumbs like me. I'll be doing dumb stuff. We're finna encapsulate. Tame the top, bring it on down, bring it on down. I'm sorry, like, I feel like we out of frame. Recycle that beat if you can. I feel like we, really out of frame. But we on my travel nail station. Oh, there we go. Look at me. All right, drop the bead, tame it, bring it on down, clean it up. Yes, ma'am. One more bead. Yes, ma'am. Tame the top, bring it on down. Yes, look at that curve. It's so perfect. The tips I got from Nail Fetish on Instagram. Usually she's sold out, but I did recently purchase some curve tips from Zulay website. She has the same tips. So in case you guys were wondering, or if you're looking for them, that's where you can find them. If Fetish for Nails doesn't have them. Recycle that bead if you can. Tame the top. Bring it on down. The brush I'm using is from Pana. I got it from Amazon. Yeah, it is taped up. But that ain't none of y'all business. Just know it worked perfectly fine. Ain't nothing wrong with it. It do what it need to do every single time. I ain't tripping off of it. You feel me? That was a raggedy bead. So that was really raggedy. I just switched my brush out. This brush is from IGL Beauty. I must have switched out because that brush was dirty. That's usually what happens. I switch them out quick. Because I ain't about to be playing with no acrylic on no dirty brush. I'm just not about to do it. All right. Keep the shape. Make sure you keep the shape. And when you are doing curve tips, drop them beads right on top of one another. You stacking them. You are stacking them. And don't use your fingers like me. I have been very, very cautious of this. This video is really old. But I've been really cautious of not using my fingers when I'm trying to do these nails, because I don't like the way my fingers start looking and feeling. So we're gonna do a ombre with the 2 blue colors, which is gonna come out super duper freaking cute. And then we're gonna use the glitter. The glitter I got from a nail house, and then I also topped it with some mylar that I got from Lord knows where. I have no idea where I got the mylar from. I want to say Tulip Deals, but then again, I don't want to say Tulip Deals. I think it's another place that I got it from, and I couldn't name it even if I wanted to. Oh, maybe it's House of Supplies. I might have got the glitters from... No, I did not get it from House of Supplies. That's a lie. But anyways, all right. Tame the top, tame the top. Clean it up, tame the top. Bring it around, bring it around. Blend it. Ooh, look at that blend. These colors look so good together. I mean, they're both blue. Why would they not? This is the Mystic Blue from Nail House. Yep, throw it on there. Put some mylar on there. Yes, ma'am. We're going to do the exact same thing. Ombre it up. Bring it up, bring it up. Yes, ma'am. Bring it up, bring it up. I feel like I really did too much with this set. I really should have just did 2 plain white nails, this ombre nail. I should have put some glitter on those marbles so it all blends together. Like, this nail is just it throws the set off. It's a cute nail, but it does throw the set off. But I don't know, I just be doing too much. Don't be like me. Keep your nail sets really cohesive. This isn't cohesive at all. It's just a whole lot of. Ain't nothing wrong with a whole lot, because, you know, my nail clients love it, but my mind going to when my mind is going a million miles a minute, I just do what I can. I just take from everything. So yeah, make sure you stacking those beads on top of one another when you are doing curved tips. Yep. Bring it down, clean it up. Yes, man, look at the curve on all them nails. I just love it. We're gonna encapsulate this one. Yep. Tame the top, bring it on down. We are encapsulating. Bring it on down. Yes, ma'am. I think we're going to need like 2 more beads because it's not looking too encapsulated to me. Tame the top. Bring it on down. Hopefully I do another bead. Okay, great. Because I'm like, hopefully. Tame the top. Yeah, there we go. Yes, ma'am. All right, we're done with that. We're done with the acrylic process. That was quick. We're gonna put up all these acrylics. Make sure you clean up behind yourself, because guess what? You don't want to do it later. I promise you, you do not want to clean up behind yourself later. I spilled the acrylic. That's what all that white stuff is on that purple thing. So yeah, let's reshape. We're gonna take our 80/80 grit hand file that I got from Tulip Deals. Yes, ma'am. And we're gonna hit when I'm doing curve tips, I typically like to taper in the sides, and then I like to square off the bottoms, because I don't like to change the shape of the nails if they're curved, unless we're doing stiletto. That's the only time. So we're gonna hit the sides, go across the bottom, flatten it out. Yes, ma'am. Go across the bottom, flatten it out. Yes, ma'am. Make sure we ain't got too many lumps and bumps. Don't nobody like that. Don't nobody like no lumpy and bumpy nail. Yes, ma'am. Taper it in. I'm sorry, I'm kind of out of frame. Not really out of frame, but I'm out of frame at the same time. Y'all know the vibes. Yes, ma'am. Thumbnail. Hit the sides, hit them corners. Taper it in. Yes, ma'am. Hit that free edge. Go across the bottom. Square it off. You can do this. You got this. Now it's time to e-file. This is a Scarlet drill. It has a Panna sanding bed on it. 150 grit, more than likely. Hit the bottom. Take off those the crusties and dusties. I hate when it's stuff hanging off the side of the nail. Yes, ma'am. Get it all. Love to see it. Yes, ma'am. Get it right. Get it tight. Get it. Go around the cuticle. Cut down some of that bulk so when we go in with our taper file, all we gotta do is really seal it. Sorry, my head in the way. Jesus Christ. Keep going. Go down. Knock off some of the scratches. Clean up the sides. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Look at that curve. That just look amazing. Sorry, we out of frame. But even though I'm out of frame, it's not like you didn't just see it on the nail before that. My hair's in the way. But we just going around the cuticle, cut down some of the bulk, going across, knocking off the scratches. We are going up under the nail to get off some of that excess nail tip, which is usually left over from doing the filing. Go across, cut it down. We don't need no corners, no, I can't even get the words out. No lumps and no bumps. We're gonna hit it right, hit it tight. Go across the cuticle. Work your way up. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yezersky vibes. Yes, ma'am. It looks so good. Thumbnail. Hit it from the side, go across, go around the cuticle. Hit them corners, smooth it out. We don't need no lumps and no bumps. I'm gonna keep saying that because there be some lumpy and bumpy nails. I've seen them before. So yeah, especially when you're practicing. I had lumpy and bumpy nails, so I don't feel bad if you do have lumpy and bumpy nails, but just be aware that the best way to do it is by feeling with your finger. I feel it with my finger. If I feel it, I try to knock it out, get it smooth as possible. Look at the curve. This is my Panna taper bit. I got this from Amazon. Excuse like my hair. I don't keep the rest in the video because my head was in the way. I'm sorry, y'all. Now I finished doing all the nails with the taper bit, and now she washed her hands and we about to put some bling. Bling bling. Every time you come around and see the same thing. You know how I do. The stones I got from Amazon. I always get these stones from Amazon because I'm cheap like that. The Ronso glue is from a cart, which I also purchased on Amazon. The stone picker is from Amazon. So yeah. And with the stone placement, I just try my best to just throw it on there. Come on, put it together. We got it. Come on. Just like that. I don't plan it out. I just try to do what I can. If I don't like it, I take it off, which you about to see. If I don't like it, if it's not making sense, if I can't make it make sense, it is what it is. It gotta go. Simple as that. Ain't no need enforcing it. If it's not cohesive, if it's not working together for the greater good, it gotta go. It gotta go. So yeah. And that's anything in life, period. Like I said, the stones I got from Amazon, I just stack them, and then I try to make the stone placement look complete by adding in regular stones. I don't even know what shape is this. Just what, flat back rounds or something. I don't know what the shape is on them. I just add those in to fill in the blanks to make the nail just look cohesive, straight. We gonna I hate when I feel like the stones are crooked. So I'm gonna get that right, get that tight. And then I gotta put it in real quick. We're gonna do the pinky, and then we're also gonna do some cuticle bling around the white nails. Put it together, babe. You got it. You got it, baby. Yeah, baby. Austin Powers says that. In case you guys wonder, I love Austin Powers. Yes, ma'am. Get it together. You got this. It's looking good already. I love when I come up with these stone placements because they're very random, like not planned at all, just super random. I don't know. Okay. It looks, and then it always comes out looking so good. And then you're gonna fill it in with a little bitty stones. Fill it in. Yeah. It looks so good. I don't know if I kept in the cuticle bling, but I think I did. Yeah, I think I do a double halo. That's what I always call it. It's a double halo. Because you got 2 halos. Yes, ma'am. And just go around, fill it in. And then I make them put it in the dryer. Don't forget that with this cart rhinestone glue, it does not dry unless it is inside the LED UV lamp. And I think I told you guys these colors do all glow in the dark. The white and both of the blues glow in the dark. So yeah, this set was really cute, if I don't say so myself. And I had to do it all by myself. She didn't want to help me. I don't really hate it, because sometimes I actually hate when clients have input. Because what are you talking about? I thought you booked a freestyle. How you book a freestyle when you got input? That ain't how this work, baby. I'm sorry my hair is in the way. I'm sorry. Look at that. Ooh, I just love stones. These little cheap stones still look so good. Yes, they do. They really do look good. I don't care what nobody talking about. I don't care what nobody say. Stones look good as crap. The top coat is Beatles, baby. Period. Because period. I love this Beatles top coat. Nothing but God can keep me from it. But yeah, we gonna go ahead, clean it up. If you guys made it this far through the video, leave me a blue heart. Because it's all love, it's all peace, it's all just we come together. You know what I mean? If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will be responding. I'm very active during this, this little thing we got going on, this Nailmas we got going on. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. I think I'll put the finished product at the end. If I didn't, my apologies. Because like I said, this video is old. And it's been edited for a while. I just never got a chance to do the voiceover. But yeah, it's so cute. So cute. But yeah, when I paint my nails, I do tend to slide my fingers along the sides just to make sure that the gel polish doesn't start dripping or doesn't cause my nails to lose the shape. So yeah, be mindful of that when you are painting the nails. Make sure you go along the sides and pretty much like drag the excess gel polish off. Look how good that polish look. Can't nobody. Beatles, you did something real good with this. You did something real good with this. Then we'll go along the sides, hit them diamonds on the sides. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Look at there. Once again, top coat is Beatles. You guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and leave me a blue heart if you made it down. You made it this far in the video. Oh, she fancy. She loved it. She just loves diamonds and she loves curved tips. It's so fun doing her nails. We will have another video for some curved tips with her later on this month. Once again, like, comment, subscribe. Finished product. Bye.